What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, Trader Joe's brought back their everything but the leftovers seasoning blend. If you don't know about it, it's a seasonal spice blend they make that they bring out around Thanksgiving. And today, we're going to make Trader Joe's own recipe with it, but we're going to make it vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need 4 of Gardein's turkey cutlets, 1 16-ounce bag of Trader Joe's Brussels sprouts, trimmed and halved, 1 12-ounce bag of Trader Joe's cut butternut squash, half of a Trader Joe's red onion cut into chunks, 1 cup of Trader Joe's Japanese style panko breadcrumbs, 6 tablespoons of the plant-based Just Egg, 1 tablespoon of Trader Joe's olive oil, and last but not least, 4 teaspoons of Trader Joe's everything but the leftovers seasoning blend. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our vegan Trader Joe's Thanksgiving sheet dinner. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video. Share it with a friend. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.